Horrific danger. It's okay, these are professional stunt models. This is just very serious. This one's not moving. Okay, so that's two problems in this one. That isn't bad, but the video is only 10 seconds long. Moving on. After the pre-show, we jumped straight into the main show, and that needed an amazing animated introduction. So the intro video we made is an epic ride through the Minecraft landscape with the camera soaring alongside the train carrying all the maps. And like the pre-show buttons, you probably get to see this now on the replay of the live stream itself. There's some links and timestamps below so you can check it out. Okay, on to the problems. Number one, once the train gets going and we pass through this cave, we shoot through this meadow, and because we're going super fast, the background has a lot of noise. But we also pass by trees, which seem to be really unelectric. We've seen our other videos in this series, and you know that we'll probably have a whole bunch of things for motion blur issues again. This one is different. Back in the announced video, we had a bunch of motion blur issues when the train was moving, and because we're using what we like to call fake motion blur,